We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Jessie Raeburn for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
Oh, didn't see you there. The reality is we would all love to have an open fireplace in our home, but who wants to be outside splitting firewood in the wet and the rain, cleaning it out every night? It's an absolute nightmare, which is why the gas log fireplace is the perfect option. It gives off the same beautiful heat, has the same effect with the logs inside, and a beautiful slimline finish. You can't go wrong. If you do have children or little ones at home, you have the added safety benefit of having the glass in front. And whilst you might see the reflection now, I guarantee you when you're at home without the lights on, it will still look like a real open flame. Not only does it look good, but it's also good for the planet. It's one of the most energy efficient gas fireplaces on the market.